What is up, guys, and welcome back. It's your boy Lex Money. I'm in the trenches today, guys, and I'm sorry that I missed yesterday's upload. It was a very important day. We had the CPI inflation data coming through, as well as the token unlocks. Now, before we do start, guys, we got to 8k, guys. I've been going on about 8k for ages. 8 and 18 is actually my lucky number. I'm not gonna lie, they actually are my lucky numbers. So big up to all of you guys who have joined the family. I appreciate every single one of you. You lot are absolutely smashing it. And if you're not part of the family, then come and join the 8k, soon to be 10k, soon to be, who knows, sky's the limit, right? But again, thank you to all of you guys. Big yourself up. Let's get into the video. Oh my god, guys, listen, I'm proper in the trenches today, so I really apologize. I'm going to try and cut out any sniffing or coughing that I do, and you're going to have to just bear with my voice today, okay? I missed you guys yesterday. I didn't want to miss you for 2 days in a row. Now, look, guys, we're at 56k, 56.8k. We're at 40 on the fear and greed index. And what happened yesterday? Guys, we had that CPI inflation data coming through cold, which is a good thing, and which actually sent the market rallying up close to 60k. I think it was like 59k. Let's go check the trading. Yeah, it rallied all the way up to 59.6 yesterday, guys. So that was a very, very big move for the price of Bitcoin. And I said to everybody in the members club yesterday, we're not trading this. We're not going to be getting in on any longs because we are going to reverse in the price. Happens every single time. And then what's happened today, guys? We've reversed in the price and we're back down to that 56k. But we're still at a good level of support. So it's nothing to get too worried about just yet, guys. Now, I'm not letting any of you guys get shaken out of the market. We're actually in the everything is a scam phase of the market. Like, some of my top bags are all being called scams now, and you love to see it because it means that it's time to accumulate. Obviously, you do your research and you make sure it's not a scam, but you do your research and you say, right, no, nothing's changed. We continue to accumulate, and look where we are. I mean, the majority of bears are not going to survive when we do have a reversal, guys. You guys are going to see that the daily MACD is turning bullish. So that's something that we'd like to see. Every single time we've had this cross in the MACD, guys, we've had a massive rally to come after it. And one thing that we do need to keep an eye on is the 200 MA, guys. Once the price does reclaim like 60 to 61k, then we could be having a very swift recovery back to 70k in no time, and this could be some sort of bear trap like we've been expecting over the past like couple of weeks, guys. My theory hasn't changed, okay? My position on the market hasn't changed. I haven't turned bearish. I'm not going to turn bearish just yet because we've actually held key support and we've still got 2 areas of key support underneath us. Again, we check at the end of the video, but we're now going to be tackling with that 200 MA. And just because we touched it a couple of days ago doesn't mean we have to go straight through it the first time. But even though we are under a key level of support, we're still above a key level of support, a macro level of support, guys. We had to endure the entire bear market, nearly 2 years, being under this level of resistance, and now we are flipping it into support, guys. Okay, can you see what's happening? Now, if we can hold this as support, and then we do, even if we do trickle down for the next couple of weeks to month, and then we start to have our reversal back up to the all-time highs, this is going to be amazing. Everybody that wasn't buying on this support line is going to get left in the dirt. You're going to be buying your altcoins way more expensive. Look, I mean, look at the RSI. We're super oversold right now. And last times we've been oversold has indicated the next rally. Now, yesterday, guys, we actually did have our token unlock, which was a total of 0.5% of the total supply. It was 2 million ICP unlocked. Look, it didn't really have too much of an effect on the price, guys. I mean, the volatility yesterday was basically due to the CPI inflation data. One thing to note, we're going to have more unlocking events coming in the future. So, right, we've still got unlocks in August, September, October, November, December, okay, we're all the way through until April of next year. When there is bad price action, people will love to go to the unlocking events. They will disregard how much ICP is being unlocked, how the previous unlocks went, and they'll just use it as bearish sentiment. So again, I mean, it was pretty positive yesterday. I wasn't really expecting too much to happen from the token unlock, as I did say to you guys in the previous video, but just something to note for all of you guys there. Coming to the chart, and look, are we breaking down from a rising wedge, guys? Look at this price target of around $6. This could be a double bottom forming, which could be like the ultimate super entry for all of you guys who didn't set your buy orders for that $5.93, guys. So if we do come down here, I'll be making like, doesn't matter when I've posted, I'll be making like an emergency meeting video to say, look guys, we're back at this like amazing price point. All of you guys who wanted $5, $4 ICP, I mean the $6 ICP is not too far away. So another reason for all of you guys to be subscribed and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss that. Now before we do get into the chart, guys, I do need your help. I need you guys to let me know what I should do, because we're actually at a very, very good level for Windoge. I mean, we got our first bag of Windoge at 80 cents, as many of you guys know, but look where we are now. We're at like $1.15, right? So we go to ICP swap. You can see that our Windoge bag that we got for $100 is now like, what, 80% up. So it's not that much. I think we can pick up some more, guys. So remember, we invested 7 ICP in total. That's now 25 ICP. How much ICP should I invest into Windoge? You guys let me know in the comments, but whatever the top comment is how much ICP I'm going to put into Windoge. Now guys, we come to the chart once more. Look where we are. We are still in our sub 40 fear and greed index box, which we've been in for the past like what, week now or something like that, right? We're trickling. This is literally what I said I'm expecting to happen, is for us to just trickle around on this line. Alts bleed out a little bit before we do have our next leg up, and everyone's getting a bit fed up with alts, and they go, oh my god, maybe it's over, maybe it's over, maybe it's over, maybe it's over. They get shaken out eventually, right? We're not getting shaken out eventually because this is a great time to be accumulating. And speaking of accumulating, I'm still at our $7.14 accumulation for ICP. Now, I mean, look, there still could be some sort of flash down to $6, and I say still, and I say could, like it could be, right? It doesn't have to be. So that's why I continue to accumulate at $7.14. I actually did pick up like another 100 ICP or something yesterday. It wasn't that much, but I was really poorly, and I thought, you know what, I need something to make me feel better, so I need another 100 ICP in my stack. But yeah, I mean, $7 still a great price to be picking up ICP, in my humble opinion. Like we said on our other ICP chart as well, guys, we could be having this short-term break of the head and shoulders, and then we do bounce, guys. Is this the bottom? Have we bottomed out at that, what was that, like $6 something, the $5.93, right? Have we bottomed, and are we going to start to have our next reversal up? Do you guys think we've got a little bit more down to go? Because right now, sitting at $7, we're still a 20x away from our target, which is fantastic. You guys can let me know in the comments. But that's it, guys. I want to say thank you again for 8K subscribers. The family is seriously growing very, very fast. So again, big up to all of you guys. And I'm going to go to sleep, guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.